Welcome back to Intables, everyone. So it looks like GSAT had a major breakout today from pre-markets rumor with Apple. Again, Apple may be using their satellites in iPhone 13, and if they do, then it would be helping anybody with 4G or 5G in dead zones. And again, GSAT would be taking care of that. And in my opinion, if GSAT does get this news and it is successful, then we could have a major breakout, possibly up over 1,000% on this major breakout. We're going to see if we do get this news. Again, this is only a rumor at this moment in time, so we're going to make sure we are careful. I'm going to go over exactly which levels we're trying to hold above going to tomorrow, and what exact levels and indicators are we going to be looking out for as a possible continuation and major breakout. I'm going to go over all that with you guys here, and also where you guys can find these breakout alerts so you guys do not miss them again. And all I ask in return is you guys smash that like button and hit subscribe if you guys want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go over GSAT with you guys here on the forward chart. What exact point are we trying to break above? And before I even open this chart, we actually had charting already on this chart. So again, we're going to go off of our previous resistances and our previous breakout points. And it's exactly what we are looking out for on this breakout. Again, we were looking for this breakout at this point when we had this bullish trend. However, we did have this 1-day moving average cross down below the 50. Now we are looking for that continuation as we are breaking new highs above this previous trend that we did have. So again, we could possibly have that major breakout. Again, they do have a rumor with Apple. And as you guys can see, going to extended hours, we had a major sell-off. We had a major spike up around $2. Again, a lot of rumors with that possible Apple news that they may have with the iPhone 13. But however, before we get started, I want to mention that we do alert penny stock breakout alerts throughout the day. We mentioned our NXT today, as you guys can see here, at $7.76 halted, jumping all the way up to $18 going to extended hours. We mentioned SPRT last week on Thursday in pre-market at $14.80, jumping all the way up to $60 into the next day, up 400% within that 2-day period. And also we did mention BBIG at $3.50 in pre-market on Friday, jumping all the way up to $10.59 going to pre-market today. So again, with that said, if you guys do want to see all these breakouts throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a breakout alert throughout the day again. So again, here on GSAT, we have the Apple rumor, and again, we are breaking new highs above our previous trend. But as you guys can see, we have a previous rejection here that we did mention at $2.47. Again, not holding the body of the candle above this price here. So again, we are trying to break up over 250 in my opinion to have a continuation. But however, as far as a price that we're trying to stay above going to tomorrow, I want to see GSAT hold over $2 and possibly continue on up going to pre-market. And if we can get over 250 and we can get volume confirmation, in my opinion, then we could have another major breakout with GSAT. We're going to definitely have them on the watch. And also, we did mention them on our daily watch list in the Intables room today. So again, we're going to see if we can continue, hold over $2 going to pre-market, and hopefully bounce over that 250 mark with that confirmation. As you guys can see, previously we were looking for that breakout. And again, we are getting very close to that breakout. Again, we have been consolidating overall, in my opinion, due for a breakout if we can get this news. Now, in my opinion, if we do get this news with Apple, then we could possibly have a major breakout. I'm not going to say how much specifically, but in my opinion, I could imagine the stock being way over $30 to $40, up over 1,000% on that breakout if we do get this news. So again, this one is definitely a gamble if you're trying to hold this one or swinging this one. And again, this is not financial advice. This is only what I would be doing. If I was holding this one, then this would definitely be a gamble, as again, leading into news and holding into news is not exactly the most consistent thing. But however, as far as GSAT and what price point I would want it to break above is over 250. And I'm going to back up here to the buy pressure so you guys can see exactly what momentum we have been getting. And again, this is a news play. So again, momentum is not going to be as important to us as much as the news is, of course. But as you guys can see, again, we do have our buy pressure that has been increasing, again, giving us that spike, but not breaking above that previous breakout point. Again, not breaking above our previous buy pressure point that we did have, getting rejected at about exactly $3. So again, we are going to be looking to see if we can get that buy pressure as we did previously, getting rejected at $3. We're going to see if we can break above it. And in my opinion, I will be setting my alert right above this previous buy pressure point. So that way, if it does break above it here on the forward chart, then we could have that momentum and possible news with Apple at that point in time. Again, in my opinion, to get that momentum that we had previously, we do need to break above with some type of news. And in my opinion, if we did break above this point on that momentum, then we would be looking for that Apple news. So again, you could set that alert here on the MACD for that momentum here on the buy pressure. Again, we have the EMA lines that are crossing up on the MACD, giving us that momentum, showing us that we may continue here. So again, GSAT definitely on the watch here on the forward chart. But however, I'm going to be extremely careful here with GSAT, as again, this is a news play. If they don't get this Apple news, which of course every news play is more unlikely than likely. then we could possibly have a major sell-off, just like we saw on multiple other stocks that we have seen previously. But however, again, GSAT looking to see if we can break over 250, and then the next resistance trying to break over this previous rejection we had here at $3. But however, again, if we can break over 250 and then break over $3, then we may have that confirmation on that news, and we will be checking at news at that point in time. Or if we do get that momentum, we will be checking the news at that point in time. And again, this is not financial advice. This is only what I'd be doing. And again, we do want to make sure we do have confirmation on these breakouts to give us consistent breakouts throughout the day. And as you guys can see here on GSAT, we're looking for that exact momentum, and we have our alert set here, so that way if it does break out, then we will have that confirmation on the momentum, and we'll be looking for that news at that point in time, of course. But again, with that said, if you guys do want to see all of our breakouts throughout the day, go to instabulls.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a breakout alert throughout the day again. And everybody that has been supporting the channel and everybody that has been in the comment section, I appreciate every one of you guys as always. Much love to you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.